Hello everyone, and welcome to Thesis Inspirational Corner channel on YouTube. I greet everybody in the name of Jesus. Today we will talk about a continued topic on skincare and how to keep your body clean and how to use bleaching creams and how to take care of your body generally. As you come, if you're a new person here on this my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button. God bless you as you do so, and you put also your finger on the notification bell so that you get notified when a new video is uploaded. Today I want to just continue on this topic of keeping your body clean and using bleaching creams. So we last on the last video I talked about how to mix and maybe use your creams, and this one I just want to tell now how they cream your body. Some of us women, we get problem. We dey very very impatient when it comes to our body particularly. When it comes to our body particularly, we just everything for us, it no matter. Everything no matter when it concern our body, because many people we know say I dey go work, you go do 10 hours here, wake up come go do 50 hours there, working throughout the day, not knowing that when your own body no be fit, if you don't clean your body for woman, body for human being, it be like engine for motor, it be like shoes where you dey wear, it be like clothes where you dey wear, and you get to dey keep them clean and in good condition all the time. So when you get your body, they clean and well, they keep and fit, you might fall sick, and even that money, you no go even get time to go use that money to look for that money again. So I always advise that whatever you dey do, which thing where you dey do, which kind of work where you dey work, always find time for yourself, because time will not make itself available to you. You are the one that is going to make yourself to create time to say, okay, I get 24 hours of each day, I dey work 8 hours, or I dey work 10 hours, or they do this one. Even a 1 hour for your own self is very very necessary. Now may we take for instance say you be woman. This thing when I dey talk am, I know they talk only for women, I dey talk mostly generally, both men and women, because not be only woman need to clean himself, man self need to bath body every day. So now, but us women, we get a lot to do, because I say now we owe 80% of the responsibility for this life where we dey like this. So if you dey a woman, you dey in a marriage, in a relationship, or you dey single self, your body, you get to dey keep am clean and take care of am every other day. So take for instance, say you dey use this bleaching agent, okay? Even if not bleaching agents, every other cream. When you bath, when you take your bath, you don't scrub your body too much, not like 3 times a day like I said in the last video. You don't scrub. You bath morning, afternoon, evening, scrub. When you shower, many of us, we get cellulite for legs, some stretch marks for hands, some cellulites the back of the arms here like this, on the inner laps, okay? These cellulites, some people they say they inherit them, some people they say it come according to fat, some people they say, but these things you can take care of them. That is what I am saying, that when you wake up in the morning, I know say some women they will not get even ordinary mirror inside their bedroom. If you not get mirror inside your bedroom, then please look for one, because it be very necessary. Say every day you look your body. As you get your eyes like this, if you bend your head down, you dey look at your body, you know they see anything. But when you stand in front of a mirror, you carry your hand up, you carry this one up, you carry your breast up, open your laps, check inside all the contours, check your body. You go always know where attention is being needed. So if you know where attention is being needed, you go kia go dey take care of that place where you know say you need attention. So these days, products dey everywhere wey person fit use treat any kind of problems. No matter what kind of problem you have, there is a solution to it. But you yourself, you just need to look for that solution. Because if you no look for them, nobody will come look for them for you. Some people, they go say they inherit something. See, Abraham's blessings are yours. You are not Abraham. And the thing where they be say, before your mama conceive you, born you, you be don't be written in the book of God. Where it be say, he get your own blessings for you. You should not inherit. It is always every bad thing we say we inherited is hereditary. It's in the gene. So we let go and we don't even take any steps to take care of it. But if we see those things come to destroy us more than they even destroy the people that we inherited them from. So now, what are the talk we say? We get problems for our body where we don't know say those problems dey. If this gist dey sweet you, abeg help me press the subscribe button. I no fit do live videos for YouTube because I never get reach 1,000 subscribers. For Facebook, I get almost 10,000. For Instagram, I get 1,000, almost 500. Now only 1,000 I need for YouTube. First, to start a live video here, where it will be longer. But for now, I no fit do a longer video because I need those subscribers. So please, help me. Press your finger for the subscribe button and the bell so that you get notification when I upload a new video. So what I come dey talk be say, if you no get mirror for inside your bedroom, look for one. You see cellulite wey dey for leg. Be like say very soon I will start to dey show big video. Well, when I dey do the thing, I go dey show una how you dey take dey do am. When you get cellulite for leg, creams dey like I talked last time, say creams dey where they're too hot. Those creams too dey hot for body. When you dey use extra hot creams, you will know that you will get cellulite more, even though they be natural, they come at a certain age, but there will be more, and you get also very dangerous stretch marks. You know those kind of stretch marks, so they broke, bam. Like say they carry knife broken. Now say go dey dry, just open like that. So now that kind of stretch marks that they talk about. Sometimes most of those things come because of the creams we use. And that's why we talk say if you dey use cream where you put them for your face, you see say that cream too hot, it itch you a little for your face. Because put them for one corner. No use the cream again because it will just bring you problems. Sometimes we dey notice these problems, but as far as the cream they lighten us, even though they bring us stretch marks, we no care. And we take that as a part of us. No, it is not a part of you. If you know that that cream is destroying your body, discontinue use, please. And as I talk say, if you know you no get mirror for your bedroom as a woman, find mirror. Because when you dey look at your body, at that time you dey notice wetin dey wrong and wetin dey right. And if you get cream where you dey use, when you shower, some women they way when they put cream for hand, when you go wash, you go just come, you shake a peep, you press am for hand. You go just slap body, clean, rub leg, rub this one, just come out, come they go. That is why you see people, most people when they are bleaching, their face lightens first. Later you will see some part they go light, some part they go black, some part they go do this one. See, creaming your body is another job. Is a job. For cream your body as I talk, you be like engine, and you need to treat them very well. The kind of food you eat, the kind of creams you use, the kind of exercise you make, the kind of people you meet with that will poison or refresh your mind. You get a lot to do for your health in general, for your body. So when you slap body like that, you pass go. How you want me the cream they work for your body? Creaming your body, yeah? Your body, when you dey shower, when you don't wash. You know, if would have dey watch what I go talk, so many adverts, yeah, when people they do the one where they take they do creams and whatever. The way you know say mostly women, like this fat here, it they build too much, and sometimes if you not take care of them, the thing will just become worse. If you watch the way you cream your body, you cream like this. You see, like this. Sometimes we ignore this little movements, but they work very well. They work so well. You cream your body like this, like lifting this lower arm right up. Combined with the exercises that you make, it will just work. It will be, try it and see. After a period of time, it will work. It's like also creaming your face. People you cream your face like this. You go to press and they come down. Press on your face, you cream it like this. You cream your face like this, like this, like this. So that through that way, you are lifting up all this, what do you call it? When you're getting old, you see like me with this my big nose, you see it like this. So I mostly cream my face. When I start to cream, you massage it gently. I am not perfect anyway, me too, I'm still learning. So like your legs, you come to your legs, when you put your cream in your hand, very gentle. See, your body is your capital. It is all you have got. Let us not forget ourselves and be chasing things that are not necessary. Your life is what is important to you. And when you don't have it, health-wise, if you are not fit, body-wise, if you're not looking good, your soul cannot be clean. Okay? Because there is no other magic that other women do to look good. Apart from that, they give their time to themselves. I know some of you will say, it just a talk because if man get picking them, a man they work, a man they do this one. Most of the times we complain other than to start creating time for those things. Complaining will not help. To complain on issues does not help. Hold the bull by the horn. Create that time. Even if you get now 10 children, you can still create even 30 minutes of your time every day for yourself. If you know those children will still grow up. They will grow with or without you. You are just a caretaker. God is the giver of children, and he will definitely take care of them at any time. So you don't have to forget yourself. Many of these things, the women are the one that has to pull the men into it, because even the men, they cannot do these things on their own. They don't know all these beauty tips. You see some like as I was talking about cellulite on the legs. If you have cellulite, you cream your legs inwardly, outwardly. Inwardly, outwardly. You take time to massage the cream you're using inside your body. I even saw somewhere they were saying that you can use a shoe brush, to brush if you have cellulite, those extreme cellulite. Only oil. There is oil, your cream oil that you use. You use the cream oil and cream your body, and you use the brush to brush it. Not like brushing it like shoe, gently massaging it, gently massaging it. It will work. It will help you. I have tried it. This massage to help you so much. So waiting at the talk for this matter, we see. So just they sit down. You go take care for yourself. You dey wait, say, because you are too busy. Time will not come for you that this is me, use me. You are the one that has to create the time. Taking care of yourself and taking care of your husband. Like I was talking, look, checking yourself in the mirror. When you wake up, whether you are going to work or you are doing what to, 5 minutes jogging or walking is okay. Even the kind of work you do, If you are sweating in it, it's okay. But you have to sweat every day, just a little. Look at yourself in the mirror. Hmm? When you look your body, you go notice which place we need attention. That's why I don't talk. Inside this contours, the inner caucus, where the vagina dey. Some of us, we don't shave. If your partner likes you like that, there is no problem about that. But don't just sit down with it just because say you no like to shave, or there is the hair, it attracts bacteria. That hair wey dey for inside the inner caucus there, for inside the vagina, it dey attract bacteria. Just like the hair wey dey for the armpit. If hair dey for armpit and then you sweat, it is irritating. And the smell wey go comot for there when you no shave, it dey different from the smell wey go comot for there when you shave. So it is very important. Say make you, make we dey check, your body. You carry your breast up. It gets, when you are getting of age, it gets one smell when they come out of from under the breast after you don't sweat. There is a smell that comes out of it. Some of us, we know that thing is with us. Some of us, they shower. We know they even know, say, okay, you get to wash. Not just you come out. Take your time and, survey your body. Survey your body so that you go know where help is needed. Not be just to dey run, I don't shower, I don't wash. And when you go out and you sweat, the smell that will come out will not be good to the other people. Some people might not be so good to tell you. Some will tell you, some will not tell you. Perfumes are not expensive. Soaps to shower are not expensive. You can get all these things. But if only we create time for them. So if you know you are the type that you don't shave, you better, keep it clean. There are products that you can wash with. You clean yourself with. Inside, the sides of the laps. Now, time we heat dey. Even the women wey dey Africa and everywhere, we heat dey everywhere. You see, sometimes there is no magic to taking care of yourself. There are very little things that you can do. There are times when you don't shower. There are times when you don't feel like taking a bath, but you can clean up. You can clean the inner caucus. Clean, just clean. That is why they make a face towel. That is why we have these wet wraps. There are wet wraps for the vagina. There are wet wraps for the body. You can use them. You clean your body and you spray and you go out. You are fresh. Why man no they do something for nothing? Even for Africa, if you dey for Africa, use hand towel. Put for water. Clean your body. Clean your face in the morning before you go out. It is very, very necessary. And the parts between the vagina and the lap, you can still, it gets this waiting like baby powder. Okay, baby powder, the one you use for kids. For some of you that have those parts that folds, and when you sweat you feel so uncomfortable, you can as well just use that baby powder there in between. I no talk say make person take powder go put am for inside totori area. Put it in between the vagina and the laps. It will reduce some heat. It will reduce some irritations. And, even in the armpits, like in the night, you put powder, just do something that makes you, comfortable and fresh all the time. May we no go dey look for wahala, place where wahala no dey. There is no magic that the other women do. Everybody can do it if only you have time for yourself. So if you know say this story be sweet you, make you just press the red subscribe button so that we can be doing live video on YouTube, and it will be longer. So it is necessary that we do a longer video, because on topics like this, sometimes I want to talk more, but I cannot make a 1 hour video then I start uploading it on YouTube. It will take me longer time, and you people know how it functions. So please, may God bless you as you watch, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell for me to come. When I come live next time, you will also watch the video when I'm live. Thank you so much. God bless you. Remember, your body is your asset, your best ever, whatever you can get. If you are not healthy, you have money, you cannot enjoy it. If you are not healthy, you no go fit chop. You go get chop, but you no go fit to chop am. So just know that your body is the first most important thing, both men and women. As you do it as a woman, don't be ashamed to also tell your husband. Don't be ashamed to carry them into the bathroom. Say, honey, carry your hand up. You shave them. Cut the hair. You tell her, say, honey, come lie down here. Let me check the inner cocos as you did. You check everything. You clean and well. You wash them for them. He will feel fine. He will feel very fine. So, let me come and be going. Please don't forget to subscribe, and God bless you as you do so. Remember, bless all of you. This is Tell Tessie's Inspirational Corner channel on YouTube. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.